These are some great meatballs that we've made today. My dad has made them. Let's see what he has to say about the tips. I'm gonna walk over to him. Hey Daddy, what do you have to say about making good meatballs?
So you want to make sure that you have good ground veal, good ground pork, and good ground beef. You want everything to be cold. Put that in a bowl with a couple eggs, salt, pepper, parsley, and some fresh grated cheese, and mix it very lightly. And then roll little balls like this big, and then you fry them in olive oil. Finish them in the tomato sauce.
Parker's here.
And Parker's here.
Let's go get a close-up shot of those meatballs again. These are the delicious meatballs. Right here. They are here. And this is a hot spoon. And yeah, they're bubbling. That means they're good. And they're there for up close, like from the top. And make these meatballs at home. I'll leave the recipe in the description below. Bye.